How to win Temu Farmland. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can win Temu Farmland. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device. Now tap on the search bar. Here, you want to search Farmland. Go ahead and click on this. Now, farmland is only available in selected countries and regions. So if it is available in yours, you can simply go ahead and tap on that. With Farmland, you can earn free Temu items by managing a virtual farm. Once you start playing a new round of Temu's Farmland, it allows you to choose two free items from the pre-selected list of products that Temu sells. It will also give you at least two money off discount vouchers to use for future orders. You need to reach 100% of the points needed by the in-game cash you earn for harvesting bundles of wheat on the farm to get your free items and coupons. The trick to win farmland lies in dedication, consistency, and being persistent. It's going to take you at least 4 weeks or over a month at the fastest to win if you don't spend any money. Temu wants you to buy and be on the app, and you're rewarded for spending real money with water droplets that get you to completion of the game faster. Every day, farmland will give you new water droplets for free and several chances to earn further water, usually given in standard of 100G droplets. The next trick is you have to pour water or water droplets from your watering can onto one of the 6 brown patches of land with green wheat. A patch needs lots of water for wheat to turn yellow and be harvested for money, which will slowly increase your score until you reach 100%. Another trick is that several times a day the game will want you to invite friends to Temu or get a sharing bonus. All you want to do is invite friends using Facebook Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, X, or Instagram. The more friends you invite, the more water droplets you get. And with these tricks, you will be able to win farmland. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.